Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to copy and paste a paragraph into Photoshop step by step. First step, copy text for anywhere. Example, select text, press Ctrl C for copy, then again open your Photoshop, then I already opened to this document or create a new document. Text tool, horizontal type, text color, choose color. Then click anywhere, hold click, then draw or drag on your mouse, press Ctrl V. Then double click, select all text, increase the text size, paragraph, autofill, justify, etc. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.